podcast. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what makes you feel happy, sad, sleepy, or full of energy? Or how your body knows when to grow, when to stop, and how to handle stress? It might sound like magic, but it's all thanks to an incredible, invisible network inside you called the endocrine system. Think of it as your body's very own wireless communication service, sending tiny chemical messages to keep everything running smoothly. Today, we're going to dive deep into this fascinating world, explore the master glands that run the show, and understand the powerful hormones they produce. It's the secret control panel for your entire body, and by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for how it works. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is the endocrine system? Unlike the nervous system, which sends rapid-fire electrical signals, the endocrine system uses chemical messengers called hormones. These hormones travel through your bloodstream to target cells and organs, telling them what to do and when to do it. It's a bit slower, but its effects are often long-lasting and widespread. This system regulates almost everything: your metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep, and mood. It's made up of a collection of glands scattered throughout your body, each with a specific job. Imagine a team of highly specialized managers, each responsible for a different department, all working together to keep the entire company, your body, in perfect balance. This delicate balance is called homeostasis, and maintaining it is the endocrine system's primary mission. Let's talk about the big boss, the master gland itself, the pituitary gland. This tiny pea-sized gland is located at the base of your brain, right behind the bridge of your nose. But don't let its small size fool you. It has a huge job. The pituitary gland is often called the master gland because the hormones it produces control so many other glands in the endocrine system. It's like the CEO giving orders to various department heads. The pituitary is divided into two main parts: the anterior and posterior lobes. The anterior pituitary produces hormones like growth hormone, which is essential for growth in childhood and maintaining healthy muscle and bone in adults. It also releases thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH, which tells the thyroid gland to do its job. We'll get to the thyroid in just a moment. It also controls our reproductive glands and even milk production after childbirth. The posterior part of the pituitary gland stores and releases hormones that are actually made in the brain, specifically in the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is like the pituitary's direct supervisor, constantly monitoring the body's status and telling the pituitary what to release. One key hormone released from the posterior pituitary is antidiuretic hormone, or ADH. This hormone helps regulate water balance in your body by telling your kidneys how much water to conserve. It's crucial for preventing dehydration. Another is oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone or cuddle hormone. Oxytocin plays a huge role in social bonding, childbirth, and the maternal-infant bond. So, this tiny gland at the base of your brain is a powerhouse, orchestrating a huge range of bodily functions, from growth to hydration to social connection. It's truly the command center of your hormonal world. Now, let's move down to the neck and talk about another incredibly important gland, the thyroid. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland that sits low on the front of the neck, wrapped around your windpipe. Its main job is to control your metabolism. Think of your metabolism as the engine of your body. It's the process by which your body converts the food you eat into energy. The thyroid produces two main hormones, thyroxine, known as T4, and triiodothyron, known as T3. These hormones travel through your bloodstream and influence almost every cell in your body. They regulate how fast your heart beats, how deeply you breathe, your body temperature, and how quickly you burn calories. When your thyroid is working correctly, your body's engine runs at just the right speed. What happens when the thyroid isn't working properly? If it produces too little hormone, a condition called hypothyroidism, your body's engine slows down. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, feeling cold all the time, and even depression. On the other hand, if the thyroid produces too much hormone, a condition known as hyperthyroidism, your body's engine goes into overdrive. This can cause weight loss, a rapid heartbeat, anxiety, irritability, and trouble sleeping. The pituitary gland, our master gland, keeps a close eye on the thyroid. It produces thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH. When thyroid hormone levels in the blood are low, the pituitary releases more TSH to tell the thyroid to get to work. When levels are high, it releases less TSH. This feedback loop is a perfect example of how the endocrine glands work together to maintain balance. But the pituitary and thyroid are just two players on a much larger team. Let's quickly touch on a few other key glands. Located on top of each kidney are the adrenal glands. These are your stress responders. When you're in a stressful or exciting situation, your adrenal glands release adrenaline, which gives you that fight or flight response. Your heart pounds, your senses sharpen, and you get a burst of energy. They also produce cortisol, another stress hormone that helps regulate metabolism and your immune response. Then there's the pancreas, which is part of both the digestive and endocrine systems. Its endocrine function involves releasing insulin and glucagon, two hormones that are essential for regulating your blood sugar levels. Insulin helps your cells absorb sugar from the blood for energy, while glucagon tells the liver to release stored sugar when your levels are low. We also have the reproductive glands, the ovaries in females and the testes in males. These produce the sex hormones. Ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the menstrual cycle and are vital for pregnancy. Testes produce testosterone, which is responsible for male characteristics and sperm production. And don't forget the pineal gland, a tiny gland deep in the brain that produces melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycles. As you can see, from the top of your head to your abdomen, these glands are constantly at work. They form a complex and interconnected network where one gland's action directly influences another. It's a beautifully orchestrated symphony of chemical signals that keeps you. The amazing thing about the endocrine system is this constant communication and self-regulation. It's all based on feedback loops. Most of these are negative feedback loops, which work like a thermostat in your house. When the temperature gets too high, the thermostat signals the air conditioning to turn on. Once it cools down, the thermostat shuts the AC off. Similarly, when the level of a certain hormone in your blood rises above a certain point, it signals the gland that produces it to slow down. This prevents hormone levels from getting too high. This delicate dance of signals ensures that your body remains in a stable, balanced state or homeostasis. It's a testament to the incredible intelligence built into our biology, happening every second of every day without us even having to think about it. So, to wrap it all up, the endocrine system is your body's master regulator. Through a network of glands like the powerhouse Pituitary and the metabolic master Thyroid, it produces and sends hormones through your bloodstream. These chemical messengers control everything from your energy levels and growth to your mood and response to stress. It's a slow, steady, and incredibly powerful system that works tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you in balance. Understanding how it works gives us a deeper insight into our own bodies and helps us appreciate the complexity of our health. If you ever feel that something is off with your energy, mood, or overall well-being, it's always a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional, as your endocrine system might be sending you a signal. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the endocrine system today. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more deep dives into the wonders of the human body. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.